Tesla's mom conceived and gave birth to a bouncing baby boy. Wow, good news. Tesla noticed her mom always applied petroleum jelly to the baby's hair and decided to find out what it was. That's a good one, yeah? She discovered that it was made from lubricating oil, grease, and wax, a fraction of petroleum that contains hydrocarbons with more than 20 carbon atoms per molecule. She also discovered that they are viscous liquids used as a lubricant for moving parts of engines and machines, and other things that can be produced from them are candles and waterproof materials, etc. A great discovery, yeah? So we have learned that the lubricating oil, grease, and wax is a mixture of long-chain hydrocarbons with more than 20 carbon atoms per molecule. They distill over in the temperature range of 350 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius. They are viscous liquids used as a lubricant for moving parts of engines and machines, and also for making Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Paraffin wax is used for making candles, waterproof materials, polish, grease ointments, and cream. I'm sure you gained something from today's lesson. See you in the next one.